Jamaican reggae sensation Capleton, famous for his hit song, Prophet Rides Again, is set to make a triumphant return to the United Kingdom after a 13-year absence, all thanks to a recently granted work permit. This remarkable comeback has been orchestrated by the visionaries at Free People Entertainment, Cable Stevenson and Tamika Reynolds. Their dedication has opened the door for the Rastafarian reggae star to re-enter the lucrative UK music market. Cable Stevenson expressed that, despite initial concerns about Capleton's controversial lyrics, the artist's transformation on issues of discrimination and his philanthropic endeavors played a pivotal role in this decision. We approached it with an open mind and focused on Capleton's talents as an artist, his humanitarian contributions, and his exceptional character. While there were objections initially, he has evolved beyond certain perceptions, Stevenson revealed in an interview with Dancehall Mag. Capleton, whose real name is Clifton George Bailey and is now 56 years old, has faced criticism in the past for lyrics that were perceived as advocating violence against homosexuals. However, in 2007, he, along with fellow Jamaican artists like Beenie Man and Sizzla, signed the Reggae Compassionate Act, vowing not to perform songs inciting hatred or violence against any community. Nonetheless, activists continued to protest, asserting that these changes were superficial. Capleton is already scheduled to appear as a special guest in a December 2023 show and will embark on a spring tour across the UK in 2024. This tour is organized by Free People Entertainment and Mediacom, and Capleton's performances will span several European countries, such as France, the Netherlands, Italy, and Slovakia. Known as the Fireman, Capleton is set to bring back the authentic reggae vibes and energy that European audiences adore. In addition to his tour, Capleton is working on a brand new album, his first studio project in over a decade. According to Stevenson, this album is designed to reinvigorate Capleton's dedicated fanbase, who have been eagerly awaiting his return to the music scene. Capleton is most recognized in the United States for his hit songs like That Day Will Come, Who Dem, Bombo Red, Tour, Jah Jah City, and Wings of the Morning. Stay tuned for more updates on his music journey and upcoming releases on our YouTube channel.
The world no revolve, no round, no one man. Tomorrow no promise nobody. So if you feel like it's all about you, so you're the king and you're the god and you're the don and the general, you have a next